have ever added to Warzone ever.
Post-high school, Tristan decided to pursue content full-time instead of playing collegiate basketball. And this panned
out. The more and better cases you're going to get. So click the link in the description to find out your...
Post-high school, Tristan decided to pursue content full-time instead of playing collegiate basketball. And this panned out to be a great decision. In the midst of Tristan's massive success of being a content creator, he still held true to a goal he had of one day playing professional basketball.
Hey.
Uncle James, can we play Space Explorer?
Shut up for a second. I'm watching this unnaturally charming preschool show.
Why are you watching a show for babies?
Okay, kid. This show is extremely sophisticated and can be enjoyed by both children and adults. So why don't you shut your ignorant mouth and find someone who actually loves you to play your silly little space game?
Crikey, Bingo! You can't say that to your sister. You have to say nice things. Treat others how you want to be treated, mate.
Oh, I really needed to hear that today. This are you familiar with the Australian animated preschool show Bluey? If your TikTok algorithm is anything like mine, you'll have seen a bunch of clips of this blue cartoon dog all over your For You page, paired with Subway Surfer highlights.